In a world filled with turmoil and uncertainty, it's hard not to feel overwhelmed. From the ongoing conflict in the Middle East to the escalating tensions between Russia and Ukraine and the crushing weight of inflation and sky-high gas prices, it seems like everywhere we turn, there's more bad news. But what's even more alarming is the growing divide among us. Our leaders seem blinded by hate and greed, hijacking and corrupting the system for their own gain. Protesters fill the streets, shouting slogans of anger and frustration. But amidst the chaos, one thing becomes clear. We are being divided, distracted, and deceived. Our leaders thrive on our ignorance and division, while they benefit from our suffering. But it doesn't have to be this way. It's time to wake up and stand together for humanity. No more wars, no more endless suffering. It's time for change. We have the power to break free from the chains of oppression and create a better world for ourselves and future generations. But it starts with us, making a choice to stand up and demand change. The choice is ours. Will we continue down the path of division and destruction, or will we unite for a brighter tomorrow? The time to decide is now. You are powerful beyond measure. Now you're one step closer to your alpha soul.